Jacobs. Fox 2 News Morning starts now.
Welcome back and happy Friday to you. Tinkering and building all while learning and having fun. That's the idea behind the Robot Garage in Birmingham.
That is where we find Fox News' Josh Landon for International Lego Day. Josh, I felt like I was having deja vu, and then I remembered I was live on TV for the grand opening of this place.
Yeah, that was roughly, maybe 10 years ago. I'm hearing this Robot Garage location has been here for quite some time. I'm joined by Sarah Jacobs. Once again, good morning to you.
Good morning to you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Sarah. So, okay, International Lego Day. Lego is a lot of fun. You can be very creative, very inventive with this. But it's very hard to organize. I mean, if you have a lot of Lego at home, you step on, God, darn it.
Yep.
How do you organize your Lego?
We say do what works for you. For us at the Robot Garage, we have a lot of different systems we use. There is no one system that works for us. So we just wanted to give you some ideas. Starting against the wall over there, we do big bins by color. Those are for the basics, the 2x4 bricks, the 1x1 bricks. That's what we do there. Otherwise, we almost never organize by color here. We organize by shape. We've got things, this rolling rack is great because you can move it into different rooms. We'll move it into our classroom for kind of rare pieces that people need once in a while. It's easy to move. Bakery cards we came up with when we opened the Robot Garage, and we have a whole hallway of bakery cards. They've been a godsend for us. We've got, it lets you do things at different heights. So we've got, right now, here's trays. This entire card is nothing but tires and wheels. And fun fact for today, Lego makes more tires than any company in the world.
Wow.
So this is great. You can slide it's inexpensive. You can slide trays in there and keep things. Not everyone knows, but Lego moved into robotics about 20 years ago. This is great because it lets you store things at different heights. If kids build something tall or something short, bakery cards let you store those projects that you're working on very easily, keep them away from harm's way. And then we do things like this. We do these are in every classroom for the pieces that we need the most. Our teachers always have these most used pieces, a place to go and get them where they're very organized. And then we've got walls and walls of containers that look like this. These are Lego gears that help work with our robotics and engineering projects, and this is a great way to grab something off the shelf if you're designing a project and you're not sure what kind of gear you're going to use.
Good deal. Now, real quick, what's your availability here at the Robot Garage?
We are here Monday through Sunday, Birmingham and Rochester Hills. We do birthday parties, we do summer camps, we do after-school classes, which start this Saturday, and we have a new subscription kit where we mail a Lego kit to your door anywhere in the country once a month, and you have 24/7 access to video classes. It's just like being at the Robot Garage, but it's at your kitchen table.
Okay, and your website?
TheRobotGarage.com.
All right, beautiful. Sarah Jacobs, thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, and I'll send it back to you. A lot of organization when it comes to building with your Lego. Back to you.